So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro GBP. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, to those of you that are new to this channel, if you are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, follow the Telegram channel, because in the Telegram channel, I'll be putting an update for you guys so that you will not miss out on any updates, right? So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, right, follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop an update, you will get the update instantly and you will not miss out on any update. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification so that once we drop an update on this channel, which is the YouTube, you will also get an update immediately. Now, we need to see what markets will be giving us this week, right? In order for us to be able to predict what markets will be giving this week, we need to take a look at what the trend is. Remember, in the markets, right, we tend to have three movements basically in the market. One, it's either a trading market to the upside, or a trading market to the downside, or a ranging market to this. So that's a sideways movement. These are the basically three movements market tends to have. Now, within that level, within these three movements that market tends to play, market tends to give us a major movement and a minor movement. Have that in mind, right? Sorry, a major trend and a current trend. So we have the full bigger trend. If you have to zoom it out, right, full bigger trend, you would see that we have the major trend, the main trend. Then, if you take a look at what markets has been doing currently, that is what we are going to be seeing as our current trend. Now, let's take a look at the major trend that Euro GBP has been giving us. So it is very clear. It is you guys can clearly see it that Euro GBP is on an uptrend move right here. This is the main trend, right? Now, within this main trend, market is now giving us a current trend. And this is the current trend we are going to be making use of, which is our downtrend. Now, take a look at this current trend here. What is market doing on the current trend? It is very clear that market is trending to the downside. So this is a bearish move. So because of that, we will be anticipating for a bearish move this week on our Euro GBP. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Now, first, take a look at this low here. Market was able to drop. Then here comes the pullback. Market was able to drop one more time. Then we will be expecting market to give us a pullback, right? So once market can give us that pullback, we will be expecting one more drop again. So above all, we are on a bearish move. We are on a downtrend move. Now take a look at it on our daily time frame. Yeah. So this is the trend on our daily time frame. You can clearly see that our trend says that we are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that market is on a downtrend move. So we are going to be trading with what the market is saying. We are going to be trading with the trend. So because of that, we see this as a low. Then here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Then market drop, give us one more drop to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high, right? Now that we've gotten this lower high, our next movement on our Euro GBP would be a new lower low. So what is market doing here? Market is now giving us a sell, which is about to form a new lower low. Thereby, market will still drop further. It is able to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low for us. So, guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be anticipating for the week on our Euro GBP. Now, on our daily time, on our 4-hour time frame, also it's still the same movement. Market is dropping, as you can see right here. When for quick analysis, if this is the drop and this is the pullback, then this is also seen as the drop. Here comes the pullback. Now with this pullback, right, there was a previous rejection zone at this level right here. So expect a sell from this level. So guys, another drop that will take out this low is what we are anticipating for next. So a sell, a bearish move is what we are going to be having for the week. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any single updates.